My name is Anna Kavanagh. I'm Technical Manager with Móna, and today I'm going to plant up a lovely cup and saucer here. So you have a lovely cup which has a hole in the bottom for drainage, and you have a saucer there which it'll be put on. Before I do that, I'll just prepare my compost. Today I'm using the Growise tub and basket from Móna. You can either liquid feed it, and if you're liquid feeding it, I recommend a tomato food, something like this kind of one. But if you don't want to be liquid feeding at every watering, you can also use a controlled release fertiliser. Now I've measured out this amount, which is what I need for a 20-litre bag, and I'll just try and distribute it as best I can throughout the mix. And what I do then is I turn that 3 times, and that gives you a good, nice distribution of those controlled release fertiliser in the product. And you'll have it mixed thoroughly. You should try and put the mix at the top of the cone there, and then it'll go down and mix through it. Partially fill the cup, just to give it a good bit of compost in the base. And now I'm ready to start my planting. I'm going to put in this geranium called Mrs. Pollock. And we can see there lovely roots ready to root into the compost. So we'll just bed it around here at the sides, just put a little compost around the sides and press it in. Because the cup and saucer isn't that big, we have to be careful and plant it in. So I just put that near the handle there to give a bit of structure and a bit of height to this planting. And next what we'll do is I'll put in this variegated ivy, which again is nice and it's trailing. So again, it gives another dimension on this. So we'll put that here to the side. And again, that fits in nicely there. Press it in and work a bit of compost around it. Next thing we're going to put in here is Roman chamomile. Chamomile is often associated with tea, so that's why I chose to put this in the cup. It is used for fevers, and it can be used in teas, etc. So now this cup is filling out, but I have space here for one more little plant. And what I've chosen to put in here is a lavender, and this is a Munstead lavender. Again, I find lavender is a lovely plant. I mean, even by just handling it, you can smell it. So the last plant is going in here. And again, just work around it, filling in a little bit of compost wherever it's needed, just to make sure that there's no gaps, but also ensure that you leave a lip around the side of the cup here, because you will need to water this, and you don't want the water to just go down over the side of the cup. And there you have it. It's a nice little planting, lovely for a gift or just for yourself. So I'll put it there on the saucer, and as you can see, that could do with a nice watering now, and we'll be done. And just to show you one I've prepared earlier, this one I potted up, planted up 3 weeks ago. So that's what you can achieve in 3 weeks.